The piano is often considered one of the best instruments for beginners, and for good reason. Here are some reasons why the piano might be the perfect choice for someone just starting out on their musical journey. The first reason why the piano is a good choice for beginners is that it's really easy to get started. You don't have to worry about purchasing and maintaining additional equipment that you would for a drum set, for instance, or a guitar where you need amplifiers and pedals and so forth. It's just an all-in-one type of instrument. You need the instrument and then a place to put it. If cost is a factor, you can start with a simple electronic keyboard. Just make sure that the key width is the same as a regular piano. So when you make that shift from the keyboard to the piano, it's a nice, smooth adjustment. The piano is versatile. It can play a wide range of music from classical to pop to jazz. This means you can explore different genres and styles as you learn. The piano can be played solo by yourself, or it can be played with a group or a band. It has a wide range of sounds. It's capable of producing high tones down to low tones, soft and loud and powerful. And this versatility makes it a great instrument for beginners to experiment with and to find their own musical voice. The piano is easy to learn notation. Most piano music is written in standard notation, which is the system for representing particular notes using symbols that you write down on a staff. This makes it relatively easy for beginners to learn how the keys on the keyboard correspond to the different notes and the scales and so forth. This can help beginners to develop a really strong, solid foundation in music theory, which is extremely useful for learning other instruments if they want to branch out later. Another reason, it's simply enjoyable. Ultimately, playing the piano should be fun and enjoyable. The piano has rich, beautiful sounds, and there's something really special about creating music with your own two hands. And the piano really is relatively easy to play. While every instrument has its challenges, the basic mechanics of playing are quite straightforward. For instance, finding the correct sound, or the pitch as it's called, is a matter of striking the right key, compared to, say, the violin, where you have to go and search for the pitch by placing your finger in exactly the right place. And this again makes it a really good choice for beginners who are still finding their way around. The piano can be self-taught. While it is always better to learn from a tutor or a teacher, you can learn the basics of the piano on your own. There are so many resources available these days. You've got tutorials and instruction books that can help beginners to get started. So overall, the piano is a great instrument for beginners due to its versatility, its ease of use, its widespread popularity. If you are just starting out on your musical journey, the piano might be the perfect instrument for you.